Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Boating While Intoxicated Defense Lawyers in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with boating while intoxicated in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your boating while intoxicated charge. Contact one of our Missouri Boating While Intoxicated Defense Lawyers today at 314-900-HELP to protect your rights and future. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all boating while intoxicated defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our Boating While Intoxicated Defense Lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Boating While Intoxicated Attorney in Missouri. Protecting your future. Combs. Waterkotte is the leading criminal defense and traffic firm serving St. Louis and the entire state of Missouri. Our criminal defense attorneys will fight for your freedom, your rights, and will not give up until you get fair justice. Our exceptional record and over 350 reviews speak for themselves. Whether you have been charged with a crime or ticket, we can help. What is BWI in Missouri? With over 110,000 miles of rivers and streams in Missouri, along with an estimated 568 lakes and hundreds more ponds and marshes, boating is obviously one of the favorite pastimes. However, it's important to remember that operating a boat while under the influence of alcohol or drugs can result in serious legal consequences. Boating while intoxicated, BWI, is treated similarly to driving while intoxicated, DWI, in Missouri, carrying penalties that can affect your freedom, finances, and ability to operate a boat. If you've been charged with a BWI, having an experienced criminal defense attorney by your side is crucial to protecting your rights and future. The Combs Waterkotte legal team has more than 40 years of experience and has successfully handled over 10,000 cases just like yours. According to Missouri Revised Statute Section 577.013, boating while intoxicated, BWI, occurs if you operate a motorized watercraft under the influence of alcohol or drugs. That state prohibits anyone from operating a boat with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, of 0.08% or higher, the same legal limit for DWI. If law enforcement suspects you are operating a boat while impaired, you could be stopped, tested, and arrested just like you would if driving a car on the road. Missouri's BWI laws apply to motorized vessels, sailboats, personal watercraft, jet skis, wave runners, etc., and surfboards. They do not apply to kayaks, canoes, or rowboats. What are the penalties for BWI in Missouri? A BWI carries significant penalties in Missouri, especially if it's not your first offense. It is a Class B misdemeanor if it's your first offense, but a Class A misdemeanor if you have been previously convicted of BWI or there is an individual less than 17 years of age in the vessel. Just like DWI convictions, the BWI laws have the same penalties for persistent, aggravated, chronic, and habitual offenders. A BWI is a Class E felony if you're a persistent boating offender or if, while boating intoxicated, you acted with criminal negligence to cause physical injury to another person. A Class D felony if you're an aggravated boating offender or if, while boating intoxicated, you acted with criminal negligence to cause physical injury to law enforcement officer or emergency personnel, or serious physical injury to another person. A Class C felony if you're a chronic boating offender or if, while boating intoxicated, you acted with criminal negligence to cause serious physical injury to a law enforcement officer or emergency personnel, or the death of another person. A Class B felony if you're a habitual boating offender or if, while boating intoxicated, you acted with criminal negligence to cause the death of a law enforcement officer or emergency personnel. Call Combs Waterkotte to defend your BWI charge in Missouri. If you've been charged with BWI in Missouri, don't hesitate getting the legal help you need. Call Combs Waterkotte immediately at 314-900-HELP or reach out online for a free confidential consultation with an expert BWI defense attorney. To learn more about Combs Waterkotte's Missouri DWI/DUI defense and types of cases, see below. Aggravated DWI. Celebrity and public official high-profile DWI cases. DWI with child endangerment. Unlawful police stops. DWI resulting in death. DWI assault. DWI serious injury. Open container violations. DWI/DUI. Hit and run DWI. Felony DWI. 350 DWIS. DWI first offense. DWI second offense. DWI accidents. DWI with drugs. DWI with marijuana. How can a boating while intoxicated lawyer help me in St. Louis, Missouri? We understand that good people find themselves in unfortunate situations. Combs Waterkotte's Street. Louis Boating While Intoxicated Defense Team is dedicated to defending our clients' rights and achieving the best possible solution for them and their families. If you're charged with a boating while intoxicated, contact a lawyer immediately. What a Combs Waterkotte BWI lawyer does: protects your legal rights, identifies weaknesses in the prosecution's case, minimizes penalties, navigates complex BWI laws. What happens without a Combs Waterkotte BWI lawyer? Increased risk of conviction, inability to notice weaknesses in the prosecution's case, harsher penalties, permanent damage to your record. The importance of expertise in BWI defense in Missouri. Our BWI attorneys understand Missouri's boating laws and how to defend you effectively. Your BWI lawyer will challenge tests, like DWI's. BAC and breathalyzer accuracy can be disputed, and water conditions may invalidate field sobriety tests. Review your arrest. We'll examine your case for rights violations or procedural errors. Negotiate outcomes. We work to reduce or dismiss charges by identifying weak points in the case. Combs Waterkotte BWI defense attorneys have access to critical resources. Winning a BWI case often requires key resources, such as maritime law experts. We use specialists familiar with boating laws and regulations. Toxicologists. Experts may challenge BAC results or show your boating ability wasn't impaired. Private investigators. Our team gathers evidence, finds witnesses, and uncovers police errors. Client-centered attention from skilled Missouri BWI defense attorneys. At Combs Waterkotte, we go beyond legal skill to provide personalized care, including clear communication. We keep you updated and explain your legal options throughout your case. Compassionate support. We guide and support you every step of the way. Tailored strategies. Your defense is custom-built to fit the specifics of your BWI case. Why you need to hire a Combs Waterkotte BWI lawyer to protect your future. A BWI conviction can impact your life, finances, and boating privileges. With our proven success in BWI defense, Combs Waterkotte is ready to fight for your future. Whether by challenging evidence, negotiating with prosecutors, or defending you in court,